Did you know there's a place on Earth so incredibly radioactive that just 1 hour of exposure could deliver a lethal dose to a human? Imagine a seemingly innocent body of water holding a deadly secret, a chilling legacy from the Cold War era. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's Lake Karachay, nestled in Russia's Ural Mountains. Starting in 1951, the Soviet Union secretly used this lake as a dumping ground for high-level radioactive waste from the nearby Mayak nuclear weapons facility, turning it into the most radioactively polluted spot on Earth. At its peak, the radiation levels near parts of Lake Karachay were truly horrifying. In 1990, standing on its shore could expose you to 600 röntgens per hour, a dose potent enough to kill a human in less than 60 minutes. To put that in perspective, the lake accumulated more long-lived radioactivity in a small area than the entire Chernobyl disaster released over thousands of square miles. The dangers weren't confined to the water. In 1968, a severe drought caused parts of the lake to dry up, exposing radioactive silt. Winds then carried this deadly dust, irradiating 500,000 people across the region. Today, Lake Karachay has been completely filled with concrete blocks, rock, and dirt in a monumental effort to contain the radioactive waste. But even buried, its legacy persists, with radioactive materials still seeping into the groundwater, a silent, unseen threat that continues to spread. Want to learn more fascinating facts that will blow your mind? Visit Sikho.ai.